Oh no. I gotta turn that flower on. If you're wondering what that said, that's it. I will deal with that later. Your local food coming downtown. Coming down Springfield. Your local food, take it all from the back. I'll put my little meat stick back there. Close it. I guess I'll be on my way now. Your local water truck is headed down the path. Springfield water fresher than ever, fresher than an ocean. Your local water here. Car's not on the road, I don't think so. I'll have to tell when I go around the curve. Uh-oh! You're not going to be the local waterman. You're going to have the local waterman come. a meat stick. Oh, a bike route. Going that way. And there's a one-way sign. The cherry's kind of laying on. One way. One way. Where to go? Oh, I get it. That one way must be crossed out. But the do not enter sign goes to that way. But I gotta get back to my house. So. The truck got it. The train show coming through. Your local train show truck coming through. Lots of train show stuff. Where's your load? Wah, wah, wah. 20 minutes later. Wah, wah. Open the thing. Ah, it's Chance. Well, I'll come back later. They need you. Beep, 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 beep. I need you. What's your loudest horn? Listen up, child. You all are children, and you all know the safety rule. Now, I will teach it to you. People who don't need to be here, please move. I will now teach you the rules. So let's start with Simon. Simon, you came over here, right here. You saw us. Do not enter over there. And I think you already knew this. I had a lesson. I know you had to get your house. Clearly, you should have seen that sign. You should have met Mac. Oh. So you are going in the bing, bing, bing. And you are going, I can't remember, What did you do? I can't remember. What did you do? Oh, yeah, I remember what you did. You were the one who went on the no enter sign, right? Yeah, I think. So you're just happily cruising along. And back you came to that sign. You didn't even look. That's what we get on cars for. Stay safe from it. Beep, beep. Gotta get my horn fixed. It's so broken. Ding, 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 done with work. Drop them off. Back to that crossing. I love these little trainers. All because of that silliness. Oh no, I gotta go past that crossing again. In more trouble. It's rush hour. Oh no, everybody's gonna be coming home with 18 wheelers and all that silly stuff. Oh, this is a nightmare. Ding, 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 Make room for the little meeple. Wow. Kids, enjoy your life. Be these cars when you grow up. Don't be that car. That car is going to jail after this episode. $230 something fine. Maybe it's $130. Some people say different stuff, so. But I know it's a lot more than most of you kids have. So when you grow up, be all these good cars. Don't be that car. Be all these good cars. Don't be that car. Be all the good cars. Be one of the new ones. Like these are one of the new ones. Be a new one. And press the train.